Creating an accumulator variable. Most of the times you might require an accumulator variable that will automatically add up the values of the variable for different observations. For example, you are running a store and wants a variable that will automatically add up the sales on daily basis. Then you can take help of accumulator variable, and in order to add up the contents of the variables or the result of an expression to an accumulator variable, we need a sum statement. This is the syntax for sum statement. Here, variable that is acting as a desired name for your accumulator variable must be numeric in nature and will automatically set to 0 before the first observation in the dataset is read. Expression can be any valid SAS expression or the variable that you want to add up to the accumulator variable. That means the sum statement adds up the value of SAS expression or variable to the numeric accumulator variable that lies on the left side of the plus sign. Note, unlike other default dataset variables that lose their values after every iteration of data step, the accumulator variable's value is retained from one iteration of the data step to the next. In case the value of the SAS expression or variable is missing, then the sum statement treats it like that of a 0. I know you might be shocked by this after learning how assignment statements treat missing values by generating missing values from a missing value, but you need to remember it as an exception. Here in this program you can notice that we have used sum statement where total years is acting as an accumulator variable, whereas year is acting as an expression that is variable that we want to add up. I know it does not make any sense for adding up years, but I want to demonstrate a cumulative variable and how it treats missing values in one example. Here in the output you need to see that how a cumulative variable that is total years retains its value from one iteration to the next iteration of a data step. And also you need to see that how it treats missing value of a year variable as 0. As here for the second observation you can notice that the value of year variable, although missing, is being treated as a 0 by sum statement. In the next lecture we will see assigning values by a new method other than that of the if then else statement method. That's it. See you next lecture. Thanks.